Josh from Overfinch here, and I am inside the 2023 Land Rover Defender 110 V8 today. You may notice the seats look a little different, and that is because they have the Overfinch diamond quilting, and I will show you that in a while. But today we're actually going to focus on some of the interior technology features and the convenience features from Land Rover. So I'm going to take you a little tour around the vehicle, show you some of the technology, and at the end I'll show you my favourite feature, if you can't already guess. So, starting at the top, figuratively speaking, we have the sliding panoramic glass roof, which is actually a standard factory fit option. All V8 110s come equipped with this. So this is the blind in operation, and you can bring it all the way back. You can stop it here, you can stop it a little bit further, customize it to allow as much light or as little lighting as you like. The sliding roof doesn't retract fully, but does give a large enough area of open space to allow sunlight and natural air through. So just taking a look at the seating, these are electric adjustable seats with heating and ventilation, or cooling as known in other territories. So here we are in operation, and you can also operate via the hard buttons by just pressing on the climate control, which will then activate the seats, and you can adjust them there. From hot to cold, and there's 3 different settings for each. Then pressing the hard dial down again, it operates the climate control function, which is a tri-zone, so you've got the 2 controls in the front and the rear. So just taking a look at the digital cluster screen. This is a fully digital screen on the V8 110 model. On some of the lesser models there is some analog dials with a small digital screen, but it is customizable, so I've just changed it here to the full map screen. I can also change it to 1 dial. As the digital screen is customizable, there are various options that you can choose. The 2 dial is the most standardly seen configuration, and you can actually change out the middle section to show what information you like there. Just toggling through here with some of the options: radio, map, 4x4 performance. So just taking a look at the steering wheel, that's the heated steering wheel function there. You've got the adaptive cruise control and cruise control, speed limiter as well, and the lane departure warning controls. You'll notice the steering wheel itself is actually wrapped in a Alcantara suede cloth finish. That is a key signature feature of the V8 model as well internally. So just take a look at the home screen, some of the features here. Fantastic camera system on the new model V8 110, and it's also 360 degrees adjustable, so when you are parked you can actually adjust and take a look from different angles of just what the surroundings of your vehicle. Of course, with this being a fully off-road design vehicle, the Defender model does have a host of off-road technology such as the weight sensing. You can also view the 4x4 information there, showing the diff locks, the level of the axles and suspensions off the ground or ground clearance. You've also got the terrain response controls, which I just toggled through just then. Furthermore, you've got hill descent control there, which is a button. You've got the air suspension options, showing that it's in the lowest access mode at the moment. Low range box, traction control, and all the essentials for off-roading. Just zooming in on the windshield, we have the heads-up display, which shows you the speed that you are currently tracking. It can also show you the speed zone that you're in as well. From a safety point of view, it's a very, very, very good feature. Now, just focusing on the rear mirror, this is a piece of technology introduced by Land Rover. I think it's absolutely fantastic. It's called the Clear Sight Rear View, and I'm just toggling between the traditional rear view mirror and then a camera focused mirror, which is a very clear sight of what is happening in the rear. Now, my favourite feature of the technology in the new model Defender is the refrigerator, and this gets very, very cold. Great for the warmer months or the warmer climates. And there's also 2 adjustments there, from very cold and then just cold. For any of you wanting to take a closer look at the Overfinch aspect of the interior, this is the Ebony Cirrus Diamond Quilted Lumiere Portfolio interior. So you have the perforated diamonds there in the Cirrus leather, with the embossed headrests, and then you have the ebony leather for the central panels. I did promise you the exhaust clip, so turn the volume up here and then take a listen. Thank you for watching. As always, please would you like and subscribe if you're new here. If you're not, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.